Good morning, YouTube. This is Jeff Labs. I'll be opening a pack of X and Y Breakthrough. Good morning to you guys. I'll be opening. The code card is already taken out. Card trick is already done. First card here is Knock 2. Hopefully you guys. I'm sorry for pausing 5 seconds ago, and hopefully you guys love these videos I'm showing you guys now. And just to make sure that you guys love seeing these videos, make sure to leave a like, and that will show me that you guys are loving or liking seeing these videos. For the second card here is Quilava, Goldeen, Gramble, Bronzong, Cyndaquil, Chespin, Gasoline. My reverse holo is Sandshrew. My non-holo rare is Malwak, non-holo rare. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this morning pack opening. Make sure to leave a like, and that will help me to know you guys are enjoying seeing this video. And like always, have a good day from Jeff Labs.